In this lesson, we'll be learning how to find interior and exterior angles of polygons. Let's start with interior angles. The interior angles are the angles inside of a shape, and it's important to note for all of these problems that whenever you have a triangle, the interior angles of any triangle always add up to 180 degrees. This is convenient because if you look at other polygons, for instance this quadrilateral, the pentagon or the hexagon, you can mark one vertex and then use diagonals to create triangles. Notice in the quadrilateral, two triangles can be created. In the pentagon, from this one vertex, three triangles can be created. In the hexagon, if you draw the diagonals, four triangles will be created. Notice that there are always two fewer triangles than there are sides. This leads us to the formula for interior angle sum. The interior angle sum of any polygon, any convex polygon, if n equals the number of sides, it can be found by doing 180 times the quantity n minus 2. Subtract 2 from the number of sides, multiply it by 180 degrees for the angles in angle degrees in a triangle. This leads to some other nice applications. If we have a regular polygon, that's just a polygon where all the sides are the same length and all the angles have the same measure. We can take our formula for the interior angles, which is 180 times the quantity n minus 2, and just divide that by n since every single angle will be the same. So each angle measurement will have a degree measure of 180 degrees times the quantity n minus 2 all over n. Okay, let's take a look at some exterior angles. The exterior angles is an angle that can be formed on the outside of the shape, and you would just extend one of the sides to create a straight line. And it's important to note that the interior angle and the adjacent exterior angle of a polygon, those always add up to 180 degrees. Note if you draw in all the exterior angles of a polygon, we can think about starting at that purple vertex and then going all the way around the pentagon counterclockwise. If you notice that, if you travel all the way around once, you are completing a full circle, which has a degree measure of 360 degrees. So every single convex polygon, no matter how many sides, the exterior angles always add up to 360 degrees. That's very convenient to find that a regular polygon, one exterior angle, will have the measurement of 360 divided by the number of sides. Let's go ahead and solve a couple problems. So problem 1, each exterior angle of a regular polygon measures 40 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have? In this case, we can use our exterior angle formula, 360 divided by n equals 40. Because 360 divided by 9 equals 40, that means that 9 equals n, and therefore the polygon has 9 sides. Problem 2. What is the measurement of each interior angle of a regular octagon? Okay, so we've got a couple different solution paths here. Solution 1, you can just use the interior angle formula, 180 times the quantity n minus 2 all over n. If we substitute 8 for n, we're going to solve it and get 135 degrees. Solution 2, I call this the sneaky shortcut way. You have to think about an interior and exterior angle summing to 180 degrees. Because the exterior angle is simpler formula-wise, you can do 360 divided by 8 and just subtract that from 180. So we have 180 minus 45 and get 135. Either method works, but sometimes solution 2 is a lot trickier and quicker. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. And a thank you to my clip art and template artists.